To add, remove, and rearrange item on the assistant menu on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, tap the assistant menu icon. Swipe the menu screen to the left or right to find the menu setting. Tap the menu setting. Tap select assistant menu items. To add an item to the assistant menu, tap the required item at the bottom section. As the example, we will tap brightness to add it to the assistant menu. You can see that the brightness has been moved to the top section as a sign that it will be displayed on the assistant menu. To remove an item from the assistant menu, tap the required item at the top section. As the example, we will tap pins to zoom to remove it from the assistant menu. You can see that the pin zoom has been removed from the top section as a sign that it has been removed from the assistant menu. Well, to rearrange items on the assistant menu, you just need to drag and drop the required item at the top section to change its position. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.